Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to format your iPhone. Formatting your iPhone is a crucial step for various reasons, whether you are selling your device, giving it away, or troubleshooting persistent software problems. This process completely erases all personal data and settings, returning your phone to its original factory state. It is the most thorough way to ensure your information is secure and your device is ready for a fresh start. Before you begin the formatting process, it is absolutely critical to back up your iPhone's data. You can do this easily using iCloud or by connecting your device to a computer and using Finder or iTunes. A complete backup ensures that all your precious photos, contacts, messages, and app data are safely stored and can be restored to a new device later. Do not skip this vital step to avoid losing any important information. Once your data is securely backed up, you are ready to erase your iPhone. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone will guide you through a few confirmation steps, including entering your Apple ID password. This action will permanently delete all data and settings from your device. After the erase process is complete, your iPhone will restart and present you with the familiar Hello screen, just as it did when you first unboxed it. At this point, you have two main options. You can set up the iPhone as a brand new device, or you can restore your data from the backup you created earlier. If you are preparing the phone for a new owner, simply leave it on the Hello screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.